Hey everyone, this is Pema from Students for Free Tibet, and I'm here to just recap some of the news that's been going on over the past 48 hours with everyone. So we heard about diplomatic boycotts from countries like the United States and Lithuania who are refusing to attend the Beijing Winter Olympics in 2022. And there are also countries such as New Zealand that have said that they will also not send a diplomatic envoy to attend the games. And countries like Scotland came out with extremely strong statements directly mentioning Tibet and the Uyghur genocide as the reasons for why they will refuse to send a diplomatic envoy to attend the Olympic Games in Beijing. Most recently, as many of you may have heard, Australia also announced their diplomatic boycott, also for human rights purposes. So I think what we can see is that the work that we've been putting in for over a year, young people from around the world that have been coming together to take direct action and to put pressure on world leaders, it's starting to pay off. Everything from press conferences we've had in Washington, D.C., protests around the world, and most recently, 5 youth activists, Hong Kongers and Tibetans, that were outside of the White House for over 50 hours. And their number one demand for President Biden was to announce a diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Winter Olympics, and that was just 2 weeks ago. So what I've noticed around the past 48 hours is that youth activism really works. And when we come together and when we work hard and when we have a vision, a shared goal, we can make a difference. But the reality is that none of this is possible without support from people around the world. And SFT currently has an extremely generous anonymous donor who's willing to match dollar for dollar up to $30,000 of donations, gifts, contributions towards our campaigns. So there's still just under 2 months left until the Winter Olympics happens. And we really need every single dollar that folks have available to, contribute towards these campaigns in order to make the most impact. So any donation that people make today will go twice as far to help our student activism, our youth activism. And so far we've reached about 25% of our goal in just a week. And together, we believe that what's happening with the diplomatic boycotts, it's not enough. We need more action from governments, from world leaders, from activists, and also from athletes, from the international community at large. So together, if we, put our hard work, our activism, our brave student activists that have been, on the front lines of this movement around the world, with your support, we really believe that we can make a lot more happen in the next 2 months. So please check out the link in our bio or visit our website and make a donation today and help us reach our goal and help us make the most of the next 2 months that we have.